Hey guys, now we are going to solve question number 8. Let's see what the question says. The greatest positive integer k for which 49 raised to power k plus 1 is a factor of the sum 49 raised to power 125 plus 49 raised to power 124 up to 49 raised to power 2 plus 49 plus 1 is. Let's solve this question. For this, first we are going to write this given expression in ascending order by writing it as 1 plus 49 plus 49 square plus up to 49 raised to power 125. Now we are going to apply GP, the sum. Now for by that the equation gets transformed into 49 raised to power 126 minus 1 upon 49 minus 1, and we are going to divide this equations further can be transformed as 49 raised to power 63 plus 1 into 49 raised to power 63 minus 1 upon 48. Now this 49 can be also written as 1 plus 48 raised to power 63 minus 1, and what we did is that we applied binomial, and by that it transformed into 1 plus 48i, where I being an integer, minus 1. So we consider it hold as a I, and that implies that this comes out to be 49 raised to power 63 plus 1 into I. So the greatest positive integer is going to be 63. The value of k is coming out to be 63, and D is our correct option.